Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with the essentials and the very first folds. Fold 1/8. 5x11 sheet in half lengthwise, then crease the spine firmly. This forms the body. Once done, cut a 1/2 strip from the second sheet to use as an internal stiffener and glue it along the spine. Press flat. Make sure to align edges precisely so the phone looks crisp. Small errors here create wobble later. These opening steps set structure, so take a moment to get them exact. Now you build the frame and simulate functional parts. Stack the 3 cardboard layers to form a bezel. Glue them with a 1-2 mm spacer between front and middle to give depth. Once aligned, attach the printed screen to the front using thin double-sided tape so it sits slightly recessed. This mimics the glass edge. Next, cut small button shapes and score them so they sit flush when glued. Pressing gently while drying ensures a clean bond. These details make the paper iPhone read as real. Finish by seating the bezel into the folded body, applying glue to the internal flange, and pressing for at least 2 minutes under weight. Once set, hide seams with narrow tape strips inside and color expose edges with a marker for a polished look. Cut a camera hole and add a logo with a tiny paper emblem. Make sure everything is symmetrically centered. If parts misalign, don't panic. Loosen the joint with a craft knife, reposition, then reapply a thin bead of glue and clamp until dry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.